Once you've embedded a Google slide into a Canvas page, you may notice these black bars appear on the top and bottom, as well as a Google navigation toolbar at the bottom. There's a way to get rid of both of these by going to Edit, and you're going to use the HTML editor. This is where the embedded code is. And here's a visual of the two steps. So following this one for the navigation bar and this one for the black bars, I'm going to show you both. So you can screenshot this so you can have these steps for yourself as well. So to get rid of the navigation bar, I'm going to find the number 3000 in the code and type this part directly following it. And then I'm going to change the dimensions of the slide and finding the width and height and changing it to 800 and 440. And rather than 440, I'm actually going to go with 450 because with the 440 height, there was a little black on the left and right side of the slides, so 450 squeezes that in a little bit better. I'm going to hit save. Let's refresh the page. There we go. So notice the bars on the top and bottom are gone, the navigation tool is gone, and what I also like about these dimensions is that it makes the image much smaller. So before it was large and the students had to scroll up and down to see the whole screen. So these dimensions make it so it fits onto one page. But if you want to mess around with dimensions, you can go back into the HTML editor and change up the width and height to where you get it the size that you like. But 800, 450 seems to be a good width to fit it on the page and get rid of these large black bars.